So over here, if you were to go to theme and layout, you can select from different themes that you see right here. But if you want to customize out a theme, then you can select a theme that you want to customize right here and then go to customize just like this. So once you go to customize, you can go around and choose a background color according to how you like right here. And you can work around with the component color as well. And all of them get changed at the same time, as you can see. You can go for border shadow. So let's just go and say yes right here and change around, let's say, the text style right here to red just like this on the title part right here. And you can see that there's link style and everything else, like there's text box style right here that you can change, and there's different things over here that you can change, as you can see, and it gets applied to the entire theme right here. And that is how you can edit out the theme according to how you want right here and change out different things according to how you want, and they will be applied to all the elements as long as individual styles has not been applied to them. And that is how you can go around, and you can see that there's this custom theme that you have right here. So that is how you can customize themes inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.